Hey everyone, it's Alethea. Got a mini pattern haul for you. Thanks for coming. It's cold, chilly willy in VA. Okay guys, let's start. The first one is gonna be Newlook 6866. And these dresses are my summer wear. And on this pattern you have, I believe, 5 views, A through E, short and longer versions, and the difference being up at the collars or the chest area of each dress. Long and short versions. As you can see, it's labeled easy. There are no buttons and there are no zippers on this dress. And each dress has only 4 pattern pieces to make if you look at the line drawings. There are only 4 pieces for each dress. A total of 9 pattern pieces. Here are your line drawings. Your measurements. And you can do a contrasting skirt. Here are your suggested fabrics. And your notions are 22-inch zipper, hook and eye, and 1 pack of wide single fold bias tape. Another Newlook dress, 6094. Another summer wear, easy breezy dress. So let's look at the line drawings. I like the silhouettes of the dresses. You got the straight, and then you have the wide tail dress. Nice summery look, short sleeve. This is a cap sleeve. I like that style. I like both versions, but I really like the cap. Here is a nice view of your line drawings, and you have views again, A through E, front and back. D has the contrasting bodice. And here are your instructions for that. And the layout. You see here, A, B, and C are calling for a 1/2 inch yard of lining. And here's the measurements for your contrasting skirt. And I probably will be making B. Like I said, I like the cap sleeves. It's a fluid little dress. Okay, next. This is Newlook 2076. You have a A and B view with shorts. Here is the information located on the back, and it says that it's an easy dress. Your suggested fabrics are listed, and your sizes, and your body measurements. The notions are 1 pack or 1/2 inch single fold bias tape. So there are no buttons and no zippers. It's called the Mrs. Front or Back reversible dress in 2 lengths. Here's a better view of your line drawings. A and B, front and back. It looks like you can do a contrasting situation with this dress. Nice summer wear. Short length or longer version. Round bodice, top, or V. Knowme 2076. And of course, lastly, is Simplicity 9913. It's a 1950s vintage authentic pattern. And it's labeled easy to sew. I just love, love, love this detail. That collar and that cut. Look at those wide pockets. Nice. They go to the back. I probably will not make it as long. I love collars, big pockets, and pleats. This looks like it has one button. And it's belted. Let's see if that's included. Let's look on the back. Okay, the back of S9913. Mrs. Dress, label easy, suggested fabrics are at your top. The notions, I see that it has view 1 and 2 has zippers or snaps and one hook and eye. And 1-inch belt buckle, so you're gonna make the belt. You need some belt backing. And also for view 1, 1 button. And view 2, 3 buttons. Here are your sizes. And finished garment information. Here are your line drawings. It has 2 views. I was trying to find out the difference between the 2 views because one had on the front of the envelope is it looks like a front and back version, but they're saying that view 2 has 3 buttons and view 1 has one 12-inch button zipper, one 12-inch zipper or snaps, and one hook and eye. Okay, so view 1 has 1 button. You have to make your braided belt, and view 2 has 3 buttons. So here are your pattern pieces. There are only 7 pieces for the layout. This is the up-to-date layout, and it also included the old vintage original reproduction of the pattern. Look at the difference. Look at the difference between the two. The style. This is the instructional guide of the original authentic pattern. Your layouts. Interesting. Well, guys, that completes another mini haul. I want to thank you for joining me. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and give inspirational comments. And remember to do these things to help the channel to grow. I appreciate you all. Thanks. See you in the next video. Bye.